Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are with our new lift. Very good quality scissor, which means it obviously goes straight up and down. None of your parallelogram chasing the wheel as the thing goes down. Okay, as you can see here, very easy to use foot pedal. This is to let it down. That's now up. Pump it up. As it goes up, you can see these stops lock in. Basically what this would mean is if it went down, this is like an added safety, which means it wouldn't collapse. Okay, this one here in the up position, as you can see, these stay in the up position if you don't want the thing to lock. But basically, the great thing about a scissor lift is as it goes up, the wheel of your bike is here. Okay, now if you watch, here, as I let this down, okay, the wheel does not move left to right. Now with a conventional lift, what will be happening now is the wheel will be here and the forks will be doing this, which means you have to drop it like a couple of mil, stop, move your wheel, drop it another couple of mil, drop it. And it's a never-ending nightmare trying to do it. Now we also do adapters which go on here, okay, for bikes like Dynas, Sportsters, Kawasaki VNs that have a sump lower than this, and that basically means that it jacks the bike up and the sump would then go in the middle. I mean, most bikes, to be honest, as you can see with this, the sump would drop in there anyway. But this particular lift, very good quality, as I say. Also available these rubber blocks, which won't damage your frame. Very easy to skew on these roller wheels. You can see here, double wheels, which allows you to slew the bike left and right. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, or www.customcruisers.com or motorcyclewebsite.co.uk. Any questions, give us a call. Thank you.